your special day, we gather round to celebrate the joy you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Are you ready?
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई साहब।
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो।
ये गाजर का हलवा
आपको तो बहुत पसंद है ना, लीजिए लीजिए।
लीजिए ना। नाराज है। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
I just send you this message to wish you happy birthday. Okay, my friend? Take care.
Okay, it's your birthday, and let me tell you, it's a fantastic one. People are saying it's huge, absolutely huge. You should celebrate big because nobody celebrates better than you. Eat the cake, blow out the candles. Don't forget to make a tremendous wish. Happy birthday. You're doing an incredible job just being you.
Happy birthday, happy you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks!
Happy birthday.
Na-surprise ako.
Ano wish mo? Wish ko sana sagutin ako ni Eden.
Amen!
Yay!
Thanks!
Happy birthday, Resh! Wish ko sana sagutin ka na ni Shika. Yun lang. At have more birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Renz! Wishing you all the best and happy love life. At sana ay yung wish namin ay magkatotoo para sa'yo. Cheers! All the best. Enjoy your special day. We love you. Andito lang kami at support kami sa'yo.
Happy birthday, maulan at maligayang pagsalubong sa iyong kaarawan. Wish ko, sana umulan ng maraming blessings at sana sagutin ka na niya. Happy birthday ulit. Okay, bye!
Ayan, Renz. Luto na yung higado mo. Happy birthday! Oh, Dad.
Hi pre, happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come and more alaks to come. Sana malasing mo kami mamaya. Happy birthday, ingat, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Renz! More birthdays to come. God bless. See you.
Happy birthday, Pusing. Happy birthday, Pusing. Happy birthday, Sambu. Happy birthday, Pusing.
Bossing! Happy birthday gid sa imo. I hope you will enjoy your day. Be happy, healthy, wealthy, and blessed. God bless you. Bantayan mo gid ang video greetings ni Pre Michael kay may rap to siya mo. Happy birthday liwat gid sa imo, boss.
And stay safe, muragaak. God bless.
Boss, happy birthday! More birthdays to come and candles to blow. Keep safe always. God bless you.
See you on
Yes.
Friday.
See you on Friday.
Hello, boss. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthday to comes. And enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday. Good health. Yun lang.
Pre, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, pre. God bless and more birthdays to come, and alam namin na nasa tamang tao ka na.
Yun.
And keep going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Cass. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and enjoy your day. God bless. Kampai.
Happy birthday, Rinsdale. May God continuously bless you with good health and more success in your career, and may God grant all your heart's desire. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Tinong. We wish you the best.
Yeah, more blessings to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Toto Rinsdale. Wishing you all the best, more blessings to you. Stay safe and enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tuto. Wish you all the best. God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tuto. God bless you always. Magalong ikaw mapirmini bibida. We love you.
Happy birthday sa gwapo at mabait ko na anak. So, thank you for everything. Sana lahat ng mga plano at gusto mo sa buhay ay ibigay ni Lord, dahil ikaw ay isang mabuting anak sa amin at sa kapatid mong babae. Always pray for guidance, protection, good health and blessings from the Lord. At sana matapos na ang gulo sa Middle East at mabalik na sa normal ang sitwasyon dyan. Whatever life may bring, just be strong. Have faith in God and always stay positive in life. Happy birthday, God bless you, and we love you always.
Ha? Okay na?
Ay, happy birthday to. Salamat gid ka, grasya ang ginahatag mo sa akon. Napangamuyo tagid ka mo. Kada gabi yan, bisa ko magtulog. Hindi ako katulog, hindi ako kapangamuyo sa inyo.
Hindi magibi.
Napangadian na ikaw mo. Nga matawahay lang ka mo yung waising sa vlog.
O, kanta na.
Salamat dito. Salamat din kay mong ginatag sa ako na grasya.
Kanta rin?
Ay, ano?
Kanta na happy birthday.
Birthday Toto gali, no?
Oo,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Toto Rinsdale.
Okay, plakpak.
Happy birthday, Tito Renshan. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for giving the McDo. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Cheers!
Basi na kayo?